Hello guys, how to mine $2 daily without doing anything with simple steps. Today, this is our video. We explain a huge and trusted site. This is the homepage of the site. The link will be in the description. Also, in the first comment of the video, we earn from offers. Listen to streams, also listen to radio. Like you see, you click in login, you can register in normal like that with the username, email and password and repeat password, or you can just log in with your account email. It's very simple. You log to your account email and it's simply, it asks you for authorization, then you log. Like you see, this is my account. Like you see, this is my second account. I mean, like you see, it's for demonstration how it's work. It's simple. Like you see, we have earn in this section, we have withdraw. Like you see, there is many ways to withdraw in Roblox, Amazon, Visa, PayPal, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin recommended. You can use any address of recommended Litecoin. Like you see, minimum payment is 2000 coin. Like you see, it means $2. Like you see here, we return to earn. How to earn? There is many ways to earn. There is offers. Like you see. Like you see, this is featured offers. You can use any offer like that. There is offer of watching clips in YouTube. It's unlimited. Like you see, you must put your username. This is my username. You put your username in application. You click in Android. You download the application, live stream clips, viral clip, like that. After downloading the application, we return to the application until it's downloaded. You can do any application like that. There is Infinity. Also, there is listen to music in radio. We click here. I already downloaded the application. You open the radio and listen to radio. Time to time, you must see the application and do verification. It's very easy to do that. It's for showing how it's work. Like you see, we go to our application. It's installing now. Offers, you can do any offer of this installing application, playing games and earn from playing games. It's very simple. You can install any games of these. You can choose any games of these, install and play. There is, if you press in any game, there is instruction here. For get 71 points, you will must get 100 level. It's very simple. You can choose your application to work with it. There is many offer. Like you see, you can choose any game to play with it. There is survey also. We return. It's very simple. We return to home page. We click in earn. There is watch streams. There is listen to music. Like I told you, this is for installing a radio application in your mobile. There is watching clips. Also, it's the application that I show you. Like you see, this is streams clips. I put my username was who. Excuse me, I Forget my username. was who. This is my username. Open application, putting my username like that. Must verify. It's very simple. We verify time to time. We click verify. It's motorcycle. We verify. You must work with this application. Now we just watch clips. That's very simple. It's unlimited clips, like you see, and get paid, like you see. For every 5 minutes, like you see here, for every 5 minutes you watch, you get 1 to 10 points. It's very simple, like we see here. Watching streams, this is the way that you can earn more coins. It's simple. You play videos and you get playing these videos. You collect coins from application. Also, you can link your Twitch account to see channel you follow and see the random channel. You can watch these streams. You get 2 coins every minutes, like you see. This is a good site to work with it. Installing games, watching streams. I must return. Watching streams, also completing offers. There is many offers. You can install all this application and play with it. Listen to radio, listen to any watching video clips like I told you. The link will be in description, also on the first comment of the video. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.